Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given ABCD is a vertical wall 2 meters high. Oh, this is important. It casts a shadow ABCD which is shaped like a parallelogram. And it is such that the length EN is actually 1.5 times the height of the wall, which is 2. So to translate it literally, the length EN is 1.5 times the height of the wall, which is 2 meters. So this will give me a value of 3 meters. Okay? And now, part B. We are given that the area of the wall is 7.6 meters square. This wall is shaped like a rectangle, yeah? And therefore, I do need to find my base AB. How do I find that? So AB is simply equals to the area divided by the height. This will give me a value of 3.8 meters. So now I have 3.8, which is perpendicular to EN. So with that, right, if we are going to apply our area of the parallelogram, so the area of ABEF is therefore equals to the base 3.8 multiplied by the height 3 meters. And therefore that will give me a value of 11.4 meters square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.